Webinars have become an increasingly popular tool for businesses looking to grow their reach and engage with their audience in a more interactive way. These online seminars offer a unique opportunity to showcase your expertise, connect with potential customers, and ultimately drive sales. To effectively use webinars to grow your business, it's important to first identify your target audience and the topics that will resonate with them. Consider what pain points your audience may have and how your product or service can provide a solution. This will help you create content that is both informative and engaging. Once you have your topic and audience in mind, it's time to promote your webinar. Utilize your existing marketing channels, such as social media, email newsletters, and your website, to spread the word. Consider partnering with influencers or industry experts to help promote your webinar to a wider audience. When it comes to actually hosting the webinar, make sure to choose a platform that is user-friendly and reliable. Test the technology beforehand to ensure a smooth experience for both you and your attendees. Consider incorporating interactive elements, such as polls or Q&A sessions, to keep your audience engaged throughout the presentation. During the webinar, be sure to deliver valuable content that educates and informs your audience. Showcase your expertise and provide actionable takeaways that attendees can implement in their own businesses. Be sure to also leave time for questions and feedback at the end of the presentation. After the webinar is over, don't forget to follow up with attendees to thank them for participating and provide any additional resources or information. Consider sending a recording of the webinar to those who were unable to attend live, as well as promoting the recording on your website or social media channels. Finally, analyze the results of your webinar to determine its effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Look at metrics such as attendance rates, engagement levels, and sales conversions to gauge the success of your webinar. Use this data to inform future webinar strategies and continue to grow your business through this powerful marketing tool. In conclusion, webinars can be a valuable tool for businesses looking to grow their reach and engage with their audience. By identifying your target audience, promoting your webinar effectively, delivering valuable content, and analyzing the results, you can use webinars to drive sales and grow your business in a meaningful way.